Hey everyone, and welcome back to Online Tech Tips. If you're a Windows user, you've probably noticed that the Start menu has gone through quite a few changes over the years. Love it or hate it, Windows 11 has brought its own unique spin on the Start menu. And, well, not everyone is a fan. But if you are one of those people, don't worry, because today we're looking at some awesome Start menu alternatives that'll give you a bit more control over your Windows experience. Just make sure to back up your PC before installing any sort of modification. First up, we have Stardock Start 11. If you've been around the Windows customization scene, you've probably heard of Stardock. They've been in the game since the early 90s, helping users tweak and personalize Windows long before it was cool. With Start 11, you can totally customize your Start menu, moving the Start button around, tweaking the taskbar size, and even changing the layout and colors to fit your vibe. You can also use Start 11 to fine-tune your search options, including searching through open tabs. It even lets you remove clutter like websites or recent documents from your Start menu. But there is a catch. Start 11 isn't free. It costs about $10, but you do get a 30-day free trial so you can test it out before committing. If you're serious about making your Start menu your own, it's definitely the gold standard in my book. Next up is StartAllBack. This one's all about bringing back that classic Windows 7 feel. If you prefer your Start menu on the left-hand side of the screen and miss the simplicity of older versions of Windows, this one could be for you. But it's not just about nostalgia. StartAllBack lets you go deeper into customizations, changing icons, splitting the taskbar into segments, and even adding animation and effects to pop-up menus. You can also bring back old-school search functionality. Plus, it claims to use fewer system resources, so it might be a great choice if you're on an older PC. Like Start 11, StartAllBack comes with a price tag, but it's a bit more affordable at only $5 per PC. And of course, you get that trusty 30-day trial to see if it's right for you. Now let's talk about Start Menu Revor. If you were around during the Windows 8 days, you probably remember the backlash that came with its radical redesign of the Start menu. Not everyone was a fan of those huge app tiles, but for some, it was a perfect fit, especially for touchscreen users. And that's where Start Menu Revor comes in. It's a mashup of the Windows 8 tile design and a more traditional Start menu layout. You can customize it with tiles for apps, files, or websites you use regularly. If you're someone who likes a touch-friendly Start menu, this is a great fit. The best part is it's completely free. Now, for those of you who miss the old-school Start menu, OpenShell might just be what you're looking for. This is an open-source revival of the classic Shell project, and it's here to bring back the minimalist and clean menus from the good old days. OpenShell gives you different style options, from a Windows 95 style Start menu to a Windows 7 2-column layout. You can even customize the Start button icon and apply skins for a completely personalized look. And hey, it's free, so there's no harm in giving it a try. Last but not least, we've got Patcho. This one is a little different. It's a full-scale UI customization tool that lets you roll back certain Windows 11 features to older versions. For example, you can revert your Start menu to look like Windows 10 with the expandable app list, or tweak the taskbar. One cool feature is that you can control which monitor the Start menu shows up on in a multi-monitor setup. Patcho is free, but since it's not as well supported as the others, you might run into issues with Windows updates down the line. And there you have it. Whether you're after nostalgia with OpenShell or want to try something modern and touch-friendly like Start Menu Revor, there's definitely a Windows 11 Start menu alternative for you. See you next time.